exercise 5D related information. First, so let us consider total n things. N things. In n things, p things are same. P things are of a same kind. So total n things. In n things, p things are same. Then the number of ways of arranging is n factorial by p factorial. So the number of ways of arrangements is equal to n factorial by p factorial. N things, one thing is repeated p times, another one is repeated q times. Total in n things, one thing is repeated p times, another thing is repeated q times. Then n factorial by p factorial, q factorial is the total number of arrangements. Similarly, n things, one thing repeated p times, another thing repeated q times, another thing repeated r times. Then the total number of arrangements is n factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial. So this is the property. So I will write the property first. Out of n things, if p things are alike or same, then the number of arrangements equal to n factorial by p factorial. So next, out of n things, if p things are alike one kind, q things are another kind, and r things of some other kind, then number of arrangements equal to n factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial. So this is the property. So if it is one thing is p times occurred, another thing is q times occurred, then overall n factorial by p factorial into q factorial. So this is the property. So now we will do some problems. So exercise 5D, first question. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the words. First one, independence. Okay, so this is the independence word. In this word, so how many letters we need to arrange? All the letters, some of them are same kind. So first, total letters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in these 12 letters, whether anything are same. So I only once. N, how many times can 1, 2, 3? So I want to write I1. D, 2 times. 1, 2. And next after D, E, how many times came? 1, 2, 3, 4. And next after E, P, how many times? 1 time. Next N, already wrote. D wrote, E, N, C. C how many times? 1 time. So just I want to count 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so these are the 12 letters. So okay, so total permutations equal to simply how many letters? 12 factorial. Whether anything repeated? Yes, repeated. how many times? B times B factorial. D 2 times 2 factorial. 1, no need to write 1 factorial. 4 factorial. So this is 1 factorial. So this is the required solution. Simply writing total letters by anything repeated by factorial. Simply we are writing like this. Next, second one is mathematics. MATHEMATICS. So this is word mathematics. Say total letters. If we are taking total letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 letters. Out of 11 letters, first M I am taking M 1, 2 times. A how many times? 1, 2 times. T how many times? 1, 2 times. Next H how many times? Only 1. Next E how many times it is came? Only 1. Next after H E how many times? Only 1. A P completed. I how many times? Only 1. C how many times? Only 1. S how many times? Only 1. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One more time. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, one thing. M 2 times came. A 1, 2 times came. Next T 1, 2 times came. Next H 1 time. E 1 time. Next after again I wrote E. So we got 11 letters. Now I want to write total permutations. Total permutations equal to, so total how many? 11 letters, 11 factorial. Anything repeated, M 2 factorial, A 2 factorial, T 2 factorial. That's it. Okay. Now third one is singing. SINGING. Okay. So total letters. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, only 1. I 2 times. N 2 times. G 2 times. Okay, now total permutations equal to 7 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This is the answer. Next, fourth permutation. TERMU TERMUTATION. Okay, now total letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So P only once, E only once, R only once, M only once, U only once, T 2 times, A single only one, T came, I only once, O only once, N only once. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. So only T except T, none of them is repeated. So total permutations equal to how many? 11 factorial by, so T is repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. That's it. Next, fifth question. Combination. 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 Okay, now total. Let us say I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So combination also word containing 11 letters. Now C only one, O 1, 2, M only once, B only once, I 1, 2 times, N 1, 2 times, A only once, T only once. So I already completed, O already completed, N already completed. 1 plus 2 3, 4 5 plus 2 7, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now total permutations equal to 11 factorial by O 2 times 2 factorial, I 2 times 2 factorial, N 2 times 2 factorial. So this is the answer. Okay, and next, sixth one, intermediate. I N T E R M E M E D I A T E, intermediate. Okay, I N T E R E M I M E D I A T E. Okay, so total letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So total 12 letters. Now I want to take all the possible. I 2 times K, N 1, only 1, T 2 times, 1 2 times. Next E 1 2 3 3 times. R only once. M only once. E already completed. D only once. I already completed. A only once. T completed. E completed. 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8 9 10 11 12. So total permutations equal to 12 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. This is the required answer. Okay, next, second question. Second question, find the number of 7-digit numbers. Find the number of 7 digits. Find the number of 7-digit numbers. Numbers can be found. Using the digit, using 2 2 2 3 3 4 4. So we need 7-digit numbers. We are using these digits. Solution: the given digits are so 2 2 2 3 3 4 4. Total how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we need to arrange 7 digits. So 2 how many times? 1 2 3. 3 is how many times? 1 2. 4 is how many? 2 times. So total permutations equal to 7 factorial by. So we are not writing this one. These came how many times? We need to write this one. 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So this is the required solution. Okay, now so second one we will do. Second. How many numbers can be found? How many numbers can be found? How many numbers can be found? Using all the digits. 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Such that even digits always occupy even places. Okay, now coming to the problem. First, the given digits are 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. These are the given digits. So in generally we are arranging. So 7 digits, 7 factorial by what are repeated? 1 2 times 7 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So this is the general answer. But here the one condition is given: even digits must occupy even places. First solution: the given digits are digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So these are the given digits. So total digits 7. So in this ones 2, twos 2, threes also 2, fourth 1. Okay, so even digits equal to 3. We have 3 even digits 2, 4, 2. So odd digits 4. Even places 3. Odd places 4. So if we are arranging 7 digits, in 7 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 odd positions, 3 even positions does exist. Okay, so even digits are 2, 4, 2. Odd digits are 1, 3, 3, 1. So these are the odd digits. So even digits can be arranged in even positions. In how many even digits? 3 factorial. Whether anything repeated? 2 repeated. How many times? 2 times. So 2 factorial. So in this way, remaining odd digits can be arranged in automatically remaining or odd positions. In so how many odd positions? 4 factorial. So odd digits 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2 times 2 factorial, 3, 2 times 2 factorial. So this we will get overall total choices equal to 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. This is 6 into 24 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2, 3, 8, 3, 3 into 3. So this is the required answer. Okay, next question. So I am taking a fifth question. Second bit fifth question. So second bit fifth question is find the number of 5 digits. Find the number of 5 digit numbers. 5 digit numbers. Find the number of 5 digit numbers. Can be formed using the digits. Can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So if it is other than 0, we can write easily 5 factorial by 2 factorial, but it is 0. So that is the problem will raise. So 0 won't be in the initial. It won't be start with 0. If it is start with 0, it is not 5 digit number, it is 4 digit number. So I am taking solution. The given digits are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So there exist two cases. Case 1, you want to start with 0. So if it start with 1, if it start with 1, remaining, what are remaining? If one of them is already chosen, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is already 1. It is blank. Here it is already 1 fixed. Next, how many 1, 2, 3, 4? whether anything is same, all are different. So we can arrange remaining in 4 factorial ways. Simply remaining we can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. Case 2. So start with either 2 or 3. So either we are starting with 2 or 3. So 2 or 3. How many choices? 2 choices. So it is started with either 2 or 3, 2 choices. Remaining equal to, so 0, 1, 1, 2 or 3. So 3 digits are 0, 1, 1 confirm. If it is 2, remaining 3. If it is 3, remaining 2. So 2 or 3, 4 digits. Whether anything repeated, 1 is repeated. So we arrange remaining in 4 factorial by 2 factorial ways. Overall, in this 2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial. 2 factorial to cancel 4 factorial ways. From case 1 and 2, total choices equal to, this is 4 factorial plus 4 factorial, 24 plus 24 equal to 48. So these are the 48 choices to write the required numbers. Okay, so we can arrange this 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 in different choices. Total choices is 48. Okay, next question. So next question is, third question. Second with third question. In a library, there are 6 copies. Of one book. There are 6 copies of one book. 4 copies of 2 different books. 4 copies of 2 different books. 5 copies of 3 different books. 5 copies of 3 different books. 3 different books. 3 copies of each of 2 different books. 3 copies of each of 2 different books. Find the number of ways. Of arranging all the books. In a shelf, in a single book. Okay. So this is the question. So in a library, 6 copies of one book, 4 copies of 2 different books, 5 copies of 3 different books, 3 copies of each of 2 different books. So total books we are need to arrange. Okay. Solution. So finding solution. First book. How many copies? First book was 6 copies. 4 copies of 2 different books. So second book, third book. How many copies? 4 copies. 5 copies of 3 different books. 5, 4th, 5th, 6th. How many copies? 5 copies. Okay, now 3 copies of 2 different books. 3 copies of 2 different books. 7th, 8th. How many copies? 3 copies. Okay. Total copies. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 10, 16 plus 9, 25 plus 10, 35. Okay. Total permutation is equal to total 35 copies. Out of 35 copies, what are repeated? So, first book 6 copies repeated, 6 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So, overall 35 factorial by 6 factorial, 4 factorial whole square, 5 factorial whole cube, 3 factorial whole square. This is the required solution. Okay, next question. Fourth question. Similar question. A book has m copies of a bookstore. A bookstore has m copies of n different books. Find the number of ways of arranging these books in a shelf, in a single row. Okay, so same kind of question here. Books, number of books n, number of copies, each of copies m. So solution: book copies. So first book, how many copies? M copies. Second book also m copies. Third book also m copies. Fourth book also m copies. Up to so on. Nth book also m copies. So total copies equal to so m plus how many times n times? So m into n copies. Total copies equal to mn copies. Total permutations equal to mn total copies factorial by m factorial into m factorial into m factorial up to m factorial. How many times? N times. Overall mn factorial by m factorial to the power n. So this is the required solution. Okay, same. Okay, next sixth question. Second bit, sixth question. In how many ways of the word of ways can be letters of the word. In how many ways can be the letters of the word cheese? C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Be arranged. So that no two is come together. No two is come together. Solution. The given word cheese. Okay. So given word cheese. If all come together, we need to consider them as one unit. If no two come together, we need to arrange remaining. So remaining. If no two is come together, then the remaining letters are C, H, S. So we need to arrange these three letters. So now we arrange them in 3 factorial ways. So these three letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Let us consider the arrangement X. So these three letters we can write like this. So I am searching for blanks 1, 2, 3, 4. So there exist 4 blanks to fill 3 is in. So in general, we need to arrange the tree from 4. We can arrange in a 4p tree ways, but whether anything same, these three are same. That's why we are getting denominator 3 factorial. If only 2 are same, by 2 factorial. None of them same, 4p3 simply. So all 3 are is, so 4p3 by 3 factorial ways. Overall, we can arrange in 3 factorial into 4p3 by 3 factorial. Cancel 4p3, that is equal to 24 number of ways we can arrange this word, letters of the word. So this is the required